this?
What?
Doesn't make sense. Well, very strange.
Yeah. It's still really good though. They're not blocking much. For the start, this is impressive.
If you wanna move, it's
Yeah, it's fine. It's pretty good. These are small ones, and you can still see them pretty well. Oh, that gives me a better view. I turned the brightness setting on my phone all the way down. Like the brightness filter on the camera. They're surprisingly quiet. Like you barely feel the boom. Wow. I somehow got distracted by a duck flying through the sky.
Whoa.
There's this
Oh, those are neat.
that's other one.
Those are weird.
Other topic. Alex, I'll keep them.
These are new. They look like little galaxies.
Does that go pretty far?
Those have to be huge up close. Like massive.
There's probably, if there's a hill or something like that. Bouncing back from hitting. Sure sounds
It's gotta be so big. Oh, there's some at the bottom. I see that. Gotta wonder how many duds they fire off, because we fire duds in a very small set of fireworks. Oh, we're only like 4 minutes in. Is that an owl? That might be another owl.
Yeah.
Because I saw one earlier and it had like no head. It was really weird. It's like from the shape of them, it just looks like their face is missing. echo backwards. It's really interesting. There's a huge after effect.
They shoot them
Wow. Shoot them what?
over the Potomac.
Over the Lincoln Pool. True. Yeah. Maybe that's why they were all coming in such a short time. They rushed it. All the ones landing rushed their landing, so they didn't have to delay it. There is one flying straight above us, though. There's so many different colors.
Yeah.
Like, I don't think I've seen pink fireworks, really. That's a rare color.
Yeah.
Pink is a rare color, and there's shaped. There's shapes of embers. Not just different sizes, they're like star-shaped. Yeah, oh my God. Oh,
That was cool.
upside down.
Very
You know, I bet, like me and you have astigmatism. I bet it looks very different without it. Because it makes stars around lights, right?
Yeah.
Like stars and halos around lights.
But halos, yeah.
Yeah, so I bet it looks very different for people without it. And it just looks like dots in the sky.
Yeah.
Like, how different does it look is what I'm wondering.
Like I see a halo above each light.
Yeah, around each one there's a little halo and like a big star around it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Are they actually star-shaped or is that just me?
That was a really cool one.
The wall of
Yeah,
smoke.
this wall of smoke, that is a
Dude,
lot.
I feel bad for anyone living down there.
Yeah.
And that one light on the right, the big bright one, has a huge halo around it. Like almost touching the ground.
Wow. That was
Pretty. The wall of smoke is just
Yeah,
so
was-
funny.
it's quite terrible.
It goes so far too. Do you live that direction?
I hope not.
They're probably gonna put out air quality alerts after the fireworks for that area. I mean, I think that's a given though. No alert. We can still see the tiny ones through the trees, which is nice. Oh, I think last year we watched the fireworks in Pennsylvania, in this small town. They were pretty good. Ooh, those are pretty. I've never seen those before.
Yeah, I haven't seen it either. Kind of like sparkly.
Have you ever watched the fireworks here?
I have, yeah. This is like my second time.
Really? That's it? Do you not see the fireworks every year? I don't know if we saw them last year. I don't know. One of the last 2 years we saw them in Pennsylvania. Camping. We went camping that weekend, but it was free camping, so it was fine. It was great. It was a great trip. Another one of those little birds. There's a couple of planes flying around delaying that you see around. Little dots. Yeah, one there, and there was a second, third, and then it's the helicopter.
They need a really big fan. Really big fan to move all the keep moving.
Yeah, like the smoke is coming.
There's just so many at once. That's gotta be a finale. It's been 10 minutes.
Yeah.
That's a helicopter. Someone's watching it from the helicopters. The view can't be great, because they're not meant to be viewed from above. It look cool?
I mean, they're sort of spherical.
Weird.
These are nice.
It's like how rainbows look from planes. They're just kind of circular. Those are pretty.
Yeah, I like this one.
I haven't seen that kind before. That was delayed. That's very loud, and it's not very close. Dude, when we were in PA, we were so close to fireworks that my ears hurt afterwards. Like they were ringing after the fireworks. Just cracking my neck backwards to see it. Dude, one of them's right above it. Maybe it just looks that way. They should make American flag shaped fireworks. They would sell. Bottle rockets. Hey! They're trying. They really tried. They tried. The wind is not cooperating. One of them was readable. Oh, probably from different parts of the city. The first one was probably readable from the mall, the second one from over here, and the third one from the sky. Minutes. They probably are. They probably have that in them. This is the real firework-looking fireworks. And they came back because they realized the view was better over here. Yeah. Why would you run? Exactly. Like, unless you're walking backwards. But, like, I don't see no one doing that. I'd rather just... Oh, yeah, if you drove here. still 2 minutes left.
I closed those space for so long.
I just realized if your birthday was on 4th of July, it would technically be your Independence Day too. Your independence from your mom's womb.
There you go.
Double Independence Day. Oh, police bikes. Yeah.
Wow, that's cool. Take a ride across the bridge.
Yeah. They might.
No, they're going around.
Joyride.
Yeah.
Be cool. Just, you and your boys just take the motorcycles out and ride around.
I mean, that sounds fun though. Drunk girls. Yeah, they're wasted, I think. They look like they just turned 21.
They were what?
16. Like 16 and a half. This is it.
Whoa. It's a couple at once.
Wow. Oh my god, that is some serious boom. The cloud of smoke. You know, it would probably be smarter if we just chilled here for half